A shocking confrontation, a daring rescue, and a long awaited moment of justice are set to change the lives of Samir, Rimjim, and Amira forever. For a long time, Amira has been obsessed with making Samir her own. No matter how many times her plans failed, she refused to accept defeat. Her obsession kept growing stronger, pushing her to take increasingly dangerous steps. This time, however, she crosses every limit. In a desperate attempt to get what she wants, Amira finally manages to find Samir. Believing that this is her last opportunity, she puts a disturbing plan into motion. Taking advantage of the situation, she brings Samir to a temple and tries to force a marriage that he never agreed to. Completely convinced that nobody can stop her, Amira begins the wedding rituals. She believes that once the ceremony is completed, everything will fall into place exactly as she imagined. With every passing moment, her confidence grows, and it seems as if her dream is finally about to come true. But fate has other plans. At the very moment when Amira thinks victory is within her reach, Rimjim arrives. Driven by concern and determination, Rimjim has been searching everywhere for Samir. Deep in her heart, she knows that he is in danger. Refusing to give up, she follows every clue until she finally reaches the temple. What she sees leaves her completely stunned. Standing before her is a scene she never expected to witness. Amira is attempting to force Samir into a marriage while he is unable to protect himself. For a brief moment, Rimjim is overwhelmed by shock, anger, and heartbreak. But instead of losing hope, she finds the strength to fight. Without wasting a second, Rimjim steps forward and stops the ceremony. Her sudden arrival changes everything. The confidence on Amira's face instantly disappears. The plan she worked so hard to execute begins to crumble before her eyes. She realizes that Rimjim has arrived at the worst possible moment for her. A fierce confrontation follows. Rimjim refuses to stay silent. She openly challenges Amira and exposes the truth in front of everyone present. She makes it clear that a relationship built on force, lies, and manipulation can never succeed. Amira tries desperately to defend herself, but her words fail to convince anyone. The more she speaks, the more obvious her actions become. The atmosphere grows increasingly tense. Emotions run high as the confrontation escalates. Every second feels heavier than the last. The future of everyone involved seems to hang in the balance. At last, the forced wedding is stopped. For Rimjim, this is not just a victory. It is a moment of courage, determination, and love. She has saved Samir from a situation that could have changed his life forever. However, she knows that stopping the marriage is not enough. If Amira is allowed to walk away without consequences, there is no guarantee that she will not create more trouble in the future. Determined to put an end to the chaos once and for all, Rimjim takes another bold step. She immediately contacts the police. The situation takes a dramatic turn as police officers arrive at the temple. Their presence sends a wave of panic through Amira. For the first time, she realizes that she may finally have to answer for everything she has done. The officers carefully assess the situation and listen to the truth behind the events. As the reality of her actions catches up with her, Amira's confidence completely vanishes. Then comes the moment nobody expected. The police arrest Amira. A silence falls over the scene as everyone witnesses the outcome of her actions. The woman who believed she could control everything is finally forced to face the consequences of her choices. For Amira, It is the collapse of all her dreams. For Rimjim and Samir, it is the beginning of a new hope. Soon after, Samir is brought to safety. As he recovers and learns everything that happened, he is overcome with emotion. He realizes once again that Rimjim never stopped fighting for him, even when the situation seemed impossible. Her courage, loyalty, and unwavering faith become the reason he is safe today. This realization strengthens the bond between them even more. After enduring countless misunderstandings, painful separations, and dangerous challenges, Samir and Rimjim finally find themselves standing together once again. Their love has survived every obstacle placed in its path. And now, with Amira out of the picture, it seems as though happiness may finally be within reach. But is this truly the end of their struggles? Will Samir and Rimjim finally get the peaceful future they have always dreamed of? Will their relationship grow stronger than ever before? Or does destiny still have another surprise waiting for them? The upcoming episodes promise powerful emotions, unforgettable drama, and twists that could change everything. One thing is certain, Rimjim has proven that true love is not just about emotions. It is about courage, sacrifice, and the willingness to fight for what is right. Her bravery saved Samir, exposed the truth, and ensured that justice prevailed. Now all eyes are on Samir and Rimjim as they prepare to step into a new chapter of their lives. Will this be the happy beginning they deserve?